Merry Christmas!
Get ready.
Woo-hoo-hoo! Another video. Another beer. Salud. So today, I'm gonna try to answer a couple questions. Only because it's cold outside. I've been out here for a while. That's beer number 5, and I need to go back in the house. So today's question is this question was left by Chris G. Chris says, thoughts on why you don't make sides to offer with your meats, and do you think it hurts your catering business? So Chris, I do offer sides. I just don't offer sides as the norm. When I do bigger catering events, I do upsell folks and offer sides. I offer sides, I offer buns, I offer barbecue sauce, I will buy plates, I will buy forks. I can do as much or as little as you want me to do for your event. And I tell people that. Reason being, some people have that whole DIY attitude and they want to do things themselves. Other people are like, here's a check. You go ahead and do it. I just want you to tell me when it's ready and where I have to be, and I'm coming out and I'm gonna show up. That's it. And I like those people. We all like those people. I'm not those people. I'm more of a DIY type guy where I will obviously, I'm doing it myself. I don't have deep pockets. I don't have long pockets. So I have to pay for things and I have to do things myself. I understand that. So I can build an event for you based off of your budget. And that's something that some people don't understand, that you have to cater to people's budgets just as much as you're catering the food. Just as much as you're catering the food. So I do offer sides. I just don't, it's one of those things where I don't advertise the sides, because when I talk to someone, I can upsell them on sides. Or if they have a question about sides, then I can tell them about sides at that moment, at that point in time, and we can work out what the sides are going to be and or what I can make for an event. There's plenty of times, plenty of events where I've done sides, and I just, like I said, I don't talk about it much on video, or I don't show it much on video, just because not everybody likes the sides, not everybody does sides. Maybe you're lucky enough to have a spouse that can help you out and do the sides for you. So you are not doing the sides, maybe they're preparing the sides, but there are sides that get provided in the end. So, do I provide sides? Yes. Do I advertise sides all the time? No. Do I talk about the sides in the videos that I post up talking about the catering events and things like that? No, not always. Just because I won't say there's no value add to the story, but the story is typically in the cook and the preparation of the protein. All right, next question. I'm gonna try to answer 2, maybe even 3 questions. So the next question comes from Gary. It says, are you cooking a Christmas feast for your family? If so, what is it? Thank you, I enjoy your channel. Well, I am glad you enjoying my channel. Gary, I wanted to make sure, I didn't want to call you by the wrong name. So, fortunately for me, I am not cooking for Christmas. I know. Yes, I'm not cooking for Christmas. We're gonna be going away. And it's just one of those things. We go away for Christmas because we give our kids experiences. We did the whole gift giving thing and gifts and presents, and you know, the commercial aspect of giving gifts is, we're over it. We are, my wife and I. We much rather do an experience, have an experience, a lifelong memory. And here's the next thing, our kids have such, I won't say, I don't know how to explain it. We just want so much more for our kids. So one of those things that we are able to do, or that we want to foster in them, is travel. Seeing other places, going other places, and having experiences. Experiences far outweigh presents. Far outweigh presents. And, you know, I heard somebody, I was telling someone about this the other day, and they said, you know, Christmas is all year round. Gift giving is all year round. When they need something, you give it to them. And that's exactly what we do. If one of my taste testers comes to me and says, Daddy, I need this, or Daddy, can I have that? Usually I'm gonna give them grief, but I'll buy it for them. Who am I kidding? I'll buy it for them. I know there are things that I treat myself to all damn year. Woo, buddy, did I treat myself last year to a couple pew-pews, okay? But it's just one of those things where I'd much rather not have them want for something any time of the year, and then at the end of the year, at Christmas, we can spend that time together. We can not have the whole commercial aspect of, oh, you need to spend X number of thousands of dollars on me because I am a child and I need to have this present. You know, neither here nor there. I'm not judging you. I'm not saying it's wrong for you to do that for your children, for your spouse, for your significant other, whatever, you know, whatever floats your boat. My wife and I decided probably about 5 years ago, we'd much rather give our kids experiences. And we've been taking trips almost every year around Christmas. Obviously for 2020, we did not get to take a trip for Christmas, but for 2020, 2021 cruise, 2019 we did an all-inclusive resort, 2018 cruise, 2017 cruise, 2016. I think 2016 was when we decided that was the last year we were going to be doing like commercial Christmas. And we've been doing travel. We've been traveling and doing experiences, not ever since, but for the most part, ever since. And I think we did a cruise. We might have done a cruise in 2015, and then we kind of said, oh, we're going to do a cruise every other year, or we'll do something like that every other year. And then after we did the cruise in 2016, we're like, nah, we're doing this again next year. Screw, like, not screw Christmas, but screw what Christmas has become. It's just not our thing. It's just not our thing. If it's your thing, then cool. By no means am I a Scrooge and I'm like, bah, humbug. No, you do you, boo, okay? But we do experiences. And with that being said, Merry Christmas. Maybe I'll save this episode for Christmas Day. How about that? I think I'm gonna hold this one off for Christmas Day. And Merry Christmas to you. Happy holidays to you. To you. Yeah, you too. Thank you. Thank you. And again, thank you too. Seriously, guys, I couldn't be doing these videos without you. If it weren't you guys who watch the videos, and if it weren't you guys who support me by asking your questions in the comments, this wouldn't be a success. And I am taken aback every single year when you guys come, you know, and you ask me enough questions to last for me to have content for 31 days. Whew. Talk about Christmas miracles. Anyway, thank you so very much as always for watching. I will see you guys in a couple days. If you haven't noticed, this week I have not been replying to comments. Again, I'm away. I don't have very good internet access. I am in another country right now. So I'll see you guys and reply to you guys in the comments in a couple of days. Thank you guys so very much as always again for your support for these videos, for my channel, for the videos in the past and the future. I'll see you next time. Merry Christmas!
More water, baby.